Meaning of dune.
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 Dune. Dune typically refers to a hill of sand formed by wind or water. These formations can be found in deserts, coastal areas, and even on some planets. Dunes can vary in size and shape, from small ripples to towering hills that stretch for miles. They are often unstable, with sand shifting and changing shape over time. While dunes may be beautiful to look at, they can also pose challenges for travelers and those living nearby, such as blocking roads or burying homes. Overall, dunes are fascinating geological features shaped by the forces of nature.